Have you ever wondered how network switches work? Well, ponder no more, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of network switches, the unsung heroes of our modern connected world. So, what is a network switch? Simply put, it's a device that connects various devices together on a computer network. Think of it as a digital traffic controller, directing data traffic to ensure smooth sailing on your network highway. Now imagine a bustling city during rush hour. Without traffic lights and signs, it would be complete chaos, right? Network switches are somewhat like these traffic lights and signs. They direct data packets, the vehicle of the digital world, to their correct destination. A switch receives incoming data called packets from multiple sources. It then uses something called the MAC address, a unique identifier for network interfaces, to determine where to send these packets. It's a bit like a mailman sorting letters based on their addresses. A network switch maintains a table of these MAC addresses and links them to specific ports. When a data packet arrives, the switch checks the MAC address and sends it out through the corresponding port to its designated recipient. This is done using a process known as packet switching. But why is this important? Well, without network switches, data packets could end up anywhere, causing congestion and slowing down the network. By directing packets only to the devices that need them, network switches ensure efficient data flow and prevent network traffic jams. In essence, network switches create separate collision domains for each connection. This means that data packets can travel directly from the source to the destination without impacting other connections. This is a significant upgrade from the older hub technology, which shared the same data path for all connected devices, leading to potential data collisions and slower networks. Now, there are different types of switches, each with its unique features. Unmanaged switches, for instance, are plug-and-play devices that require no configuration, making them perfect for home or small office use. Managed switches, on the other hand, offer more control and flexibility, allowing network administrators to manage, configure, and monitor the network. To recap, network switches are vital components of any network. They guide data packets to their correct destinations using MAC addresses, ensuring efficient data flow and preventing network congestion. Whether it's a small home network or a large enterprise network, switches keep the digital traffic flowing smoothly. So, the next time you're streaming your favorite show or sending an email, spare a thought for the humble network switch, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure your data reaches its destination. Remember, understanding how network switches work is not just for IT students or professionals. It's for anyone who uses a digital device and is curious about how our connected world works. Knowledge, after all, is power, and in our digital age, understanding the basics of networking is a power everyone can benefit from.